Hello, my people. How una dey? I greet the house, so una do well, my brothers and sisters. As una take dey help me, take dey share, comment, like. God go really bless una. I appreciate una well, well. Una do well for my body. My people, this video, many of una go don see am. Why many of una never see am? Because the video no dey on air again. Where our native doctor do Goodluck Adeboye. So this video e do am yesterday on Sunday. So as in dey online, in dey read comment because he write am say he wan come Europe. No, na know say na Nigeria in dey since then. E don stay 2 years for there and e no easy. So as he write am come say he feel like say he wan come back, no, say Nigeria don tire am small, so him dey come back. So as he come dey read wetin people dey tell am for the comment now, na our native doctor na happiness. You know say different way dey wey person take dey emotion. So as he come dey emotion now, no tears come dey come out for e eyes. So the video come dey because many people dey ask am for there say why you go comot now, we love wetin you dey do. Na normal thing now, we love wetin you dey do, thank you for everything wey you don do for people. If you comot now, e go get as e be. Just try make you stay. So many people come dey send down that message for the time wey im dey live video that yesterday. The video not too long. So with that emotion now, so he come burst. Come say I no know say people really love me like this. Say they like wetin I dey do. I know say many people dey, even though say they do good thing, they'll still dey criticize you. Na normal thing. But they like what you dey do. But e go dey tell you say you know they do am well. E go even dey tell you the way we go take dey talk to you. Say you dey feel say maybe they no appreciate wetin I dey do. Why many people appreciate wetin our native doctor dey do? Really, because he dey do a great job. Now they do very if you dey watch a video, you dey see say they try well. So many people come even dey ask am say you with your wife get misunderstanding, na make you wan comot. So he come do another video again, come to explain say no be say me with her wife get misunderstanding. In na human rights, no. And many people dey wey dey offend am, wey dey give them job, make them do, they no dey do am. If he wan take action, people go dey tell am say no, you know say you be human right, you no fit do this one, you no fit do that one. You know, it can't be like saying dey for inside prison. Now understand now, where you be person, if you be person wey before, say you be person wey just dey if person do you something, you want make you do am back. Una remember that time where our native doctor talk and say if person give am slap, he no give am the other face, make he go give am back, he go give am even 3. Una remember that time. So he come dey feel say why I can't put myself for inside all these things now. I no fit talk. If person help me do something, they not do am well. If you want to talk to them, they say no, not react. So you know, say you be human rights, you be this one. So the thing come they touch am, no. So I see right and say you want come back, many people come burst. May you not come out, so you they try for people body. So now it cause am as he come burst the cry. Now no say that happiness. You know, say sometimes when you do something, people where you no expect, they will come appreciate you well. You know the time when the tears go take come off for your eye. You know. Now not be say you just dey cry, say hey. No, now that joy, that happiness, as you take read the comment, the thing go emotion, you know. So he can't do the video, can't see explain, say see waiting. I'll still put the video, see waiting make that tears come out. Not be say he get problem with his wife, everything they okay. He say if you want come out, his wife go tell her and say no, go, may you stay here. Oh Ghana, because of say your wife love you, you know say we women, you know say now woman maybe woman they do one thing. If maybe husband they give a headache for us, he go they find one way or another way go tell her say never read the time where you take come out. Which time you take go, you don't know say they tell you say may you give am chance, may for no. he want fresh air to come in body. You know say women when they do like that sometimes. You know me say you not love the man, or maybe you know say some men they go just this one now so this one now so go they talk that one now so go talk that one. So him go just say may you come try, may you come go. No be say na here you dey stay, come go meet your people for that side, go stay 1 month, go stay 2 months. If they try to tell you make you comot, but this one now your wife dey tell you say make you stay, na love. Because if you really love person, if you dey comot sef the thing go dey pay you, go tell am say I no want make you go, abeg okay if you wan go na because of say you dey go, make you no stay long o, just stay 2 weeks make you come back. Na love. If love no dey, e go dey tell you make which time you take comot, na im go even dey remember you say you never reach the time wey you take go. You know say people there wey you wan go give something, she go dey come dey tell you. But this one na no be like that. Me I believe say na love, because when love dey, person wey you love wan comot, the thing go dey pay you. You go come dey feel say I come dey lonely, you know, come dey with me for here. Even to talk to person sef na something. Because some if you dey with your husband, you dey with your wife, you with am go dey talk, una go discuss. When you come comot, you go come dey lonely, no be wetin go fit tell you, no be go tell the children. So we get as e be, or go tell the friends, make dem come dey laugh am. No. So me I believe say that one na love. Woman love you, e go need you, make you say make you dey for his side, e no want make you comot. Even though say you tell am say phone dey na, e go dey pain am say I know say phone dey. E no just be as you sit down for there with me 24 hours, me with you dey, you know, we dey joke, do this one. So na im cause am. As for me, na so e be, na so e still be for man side o. If woman wey you love dey with you, you no want make you leave am comot. If you wan comot, the thing go dey pay you. I no know the time wey I take come back now. Many things go dey like that when you come dey go dey flow for inside your brain. Na so e still be. So for that one na love, na me think say e be. Na love. Because if you love person, you no want make anything happen to am, you no want make e go distance, no make leave you for one corner, make e go distance, make e go. I know say na job, but you just need am make e dey with you. But if you just see say maybe the man don dey give you headache, you come, na you even tell am say try make you come travel, make you still go stay small. You go come, the man go dey ask you say you dey push me. You say I no dey push you, I don't want make you still go relax. Just know say dey push you, because na so e be. My brothers and sisters, I'll put this video, Mona still listening to her. Mona, I'll still put the other one where you can't do after this one, because many people they think say maybe in with a family they get problem, they say they not get any problem. Now just that love where people show and for that live video, I seen the live video talk say you want to go back. So people call the talk say no, stay not come out, we love you, we appreciate your job, we want me you stay. May I put the video, Mona watch her, una bye bye, and thank you as una take the help me they share.
All right, good morning. I got no joy in my heart. That is just the plain truth. I may be giving joy, but I don't have joy. Yes. I got no joy. I don't think I have to be pretending anymore. I have to go back to my base. But the problem is, when I go through the comments about my going back to my base, they make me realize that I'm trying. Nobody has ever praised me the way they are praising me in that post. I have no joy. That's just the truth. And the reason why I'm still in Nigeria, I actually thought I was putting smile in people's face, putting my life to save lives. But meanwhile, I have no joy. Yes. And when I was in abroad, I have joy. I don't even work for joy. But in Nigeria, I am working for joy 24/7. I still don't have joy.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Prince Comrade Olusola Adeboye, the chairman of Human Rights Defenders and Access to Justice Advocacy Center. Sorry for I have not been able to address the issue of me being emotional. It wasn't network. The fact is, people have been calling my line, interrupting my updates because I cried. I never knew that people love me. I never knew that I have no right to cry. In short, I don't know. It's like they have given me another energy to do more. I thought I was nobody. I thought the world hates me. I thought they are against me for criticizing me. What can I say? I just have to say thank you. And as I speak now, I still feel very much emotion. But I have to take it easy. Actually, people who I never knew that they were watching me, they called me today. Some people whom I felt they are the one criticizing me, they called me today. Some people whom I invited to my ceremony that never honor it, they called me today. I don't know why I cried in the first case, but I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. But I'm not having problem in my marriage. I just feel that I have exhausted my energy. I needed to go back to my base. And every time I talk of going back, my wife, which is the president, is never in support of me even going to rest at least few months. So I feel like, could this be love or what? You're supposed to have take a look at my then and now. At least you should have reason to approve my going. If at all we are going together for some time, if at all we cannot go together for some time, at least I need some rest. People think nobody dare me. People dare me. I don't even have that time to fight for myself, and I feel cheated. My house is uncompleted building, but I have paid almost the people that are supposed to finish it. They run away. I don't even have the time to fight for myself. And anytime I want to fight for myself, they will tell me, you know your position in the society now, this and that. What kind of position that I will not be allowed to speak for myself? I feel like I begin to regret the reason why I should go to this extent, being an activist, human rights activist to this extent worldwide, that if you insult me, I have no right to insult you back. They will tell me, look at you, you say you are serving public. Every day I can be smiling here, but sometimes I go back, I say I can't even talk again. I am becoming somebody else instead of being myself. I can't express myself. I can't get angry. I can't run after people who duped me. They always tell me, be a legacy or be a good example. Let people, emulate from you. I become somebody else. That is not me. So I just feel upset. I feel tired. I just feel like, why should I fight for people I can't fight for myself? I want to travel, I can't travel. I want to do like normal human being, I can't do it. People offend me if I want to react. Everybody will begin to send me messages, begin to call me, begin to advise me not to react. Then I'm just living a fake life, like if I may say, like I know who I am. You slap me once, I'm supposed to slap you twice. But this thing is, is eating me down now. It's making me somebody else, and I just feel anytime I just tell my wife I want to travel, you know, two of us, we cannot travel at the same time, but sometimes I approve that we should both travel, but she discouraged me. Like, I just feel, is she doing me a favor when she know, even you as a citizen of Holland, if you have to come and stay, retire to your country, it's not going to go be a day work like you just come and stay. I'm already 2 years in Nigeria. At least I should be encouraged. Like, I go 3 months, I come back, I can stay here, I can stay 6 months, then I cannot get used to Nigeria. But it's like I am forced to do this automatically. I have no time for myself. If I want to rest, people call my number. I'm not regretting it, but at least I still need some time to be myself. Then the reason why I cried this morning, I never meant to cry. I did not come online to cry. If anybody should come online and say I want to cry, it's fake crying. I can see that as fake crying. But I dropped a post this morning to tell people, because I'm serving the public and I don't really have my private life. I love it that way. I just wanted to pre-inform them that I will be traveling, because normally, even before this human rights stuff, when I want to travel, I pre-inform people. Because of who I am, they begin to order for herbs that I will bring for them. They will be booking for countries that I need to visit. I'm a public man. I've never used my money to buy tickets since I've started traveling. So I do pre-inform people. They begin to book countries that I may afford to go if time permits me. So that is why I always inform people that I'll be traveling so much and all that. So which I did this morning. But because I have overstressed myself, I felt, let me even stay back and work for some time. I'm not a citizen of Belgium, but I have Belgium paper that I need to service also. It will expire in a few months' time. I need to service it. And I also need to register in the UK, because they are going out of EU. So all this my wife needs to understand. And I also need to inform people. So I just dropped that I will be traveling. Probably I will stay permanently and work and all that. People started raining praises on me. They never praised me before. So when I was reading the comment, I was crying. They were not insulting me, they were praising me, but I was like, I feel like they are staying in front of me to tell me you are trying, you should not travel, who will you leave this work for? I just feel like when I was reading that comment, I feel like they are in front of me talking to me. So I was just crying. They did not insult me, but I feel like, am I this good? Have I touched people's life? Do they really understand that I was putting my life at risk? I'm just hearing it for the first time. They begin to rain praises on me, encouraging me. So I couldn't take it. I was just crying. So nothing made me cry. I did not cry because I have a problem in my house. I cried because I couldn't take the praises anymore. I've never had this opportunity for people to talk to me in a polite way. I've never had this opportunity for somebody to praise me. They always insult me, despite my position in the community. They insult me. I read comments sometimes. I say, do I give up or I should just be strong? But today I read comments about my positive performance, and instead of saying thank you, I begin to cry. I was reading it in my other phone and I was doing live stream because I wanted to appreciate them for praising me. But the more I read it, the more I can't take it. I can't say a word. I was crying. Then people begin to call my family. People who never called me before begin to call me to calm me down, and I was ashamed to pick call. I did not pick any call. They were sending me messages and calling and interrupting my video, asking me to drop it. I said, this is not about enemy laughing at me. I did not cry because I couldn't do it anymore. I cried because of the praise, but they couldn't understand. Instead, they were calling my family. Even my wife did not know I was online. My wife, they called my wife. My wife now came and started crying again and asking me why am I crying, because I couldn't talk to her. She was not crying and start calling people. She don't know why I'm crying and all that. So the joy become like almost sorrow to me, and to her, everybody, the house was dull. And today is supposed to be one of our greatest days, because we are expecting eminent people from Ishaland, Lagos based and beyond. But we are both crying. Because I couldn't even tell her, baby, I don't mean harm to you. But instead we were both crying. Because for a man of the house to be crying and not knowing what transpired, then as a good wife, you should be crying. And if I was crying outside, I believe the whole family would have been crying. But I was crying alone with my wife. I couldn't tell her why. Until she have to go live and watch the video and find out that I did not really say much. Did not say anything. Maybe we are fighting and we were not fighting. So she was a bit encouraged. Please, I want to summon courage to say thank you. I want to summon courage to say thank you. I just want to say thank you. I actually wanted to run away, because I have been building this house. There is no house I've ever built that takes me a year. Anytime I pay this one, this person will run. They say you are human rights activist. Because I have voice, I can tell my voice. If I go to police do one funny thing that upset me. Police tell me, Oga, so we too they receive the insult now. No matter how we be, now so that they insult us. I don't want to take law into my hand. I always report my workers to the police. They will tell me, Oga, you see, and the thing noisy now, so we too they pass with. And if I think let my boys do otherwise, my wife will be telling me as a public figure, if they get to know this now, it will not be good. So I can't be myself again. Then I say, okay, if I cannot take drastic action to make myself happy, let me leave the country. At least when I'm back, I can forget all those people who have stepped on my foot. Then she said, no, I'm not going. So I just feel I will even run while she's at work and just travel and just go. And now you people begin to let me know I am loved. I have no choice. I have no choice. Please, I'm sorry. I just titled this video, don't I have rights to cry again? The cry make me feel I should never even cry the cry of joy. I should just cease crying. Because people loved me. People loved me. And I don't want to mention name. There is a man I never knew he's watching me. He sent me series of messages after I did not pick. He just warned me. He begged me with the name of my mother and all that. He said, I am so person. He called his name. I was surprised that. So this man has been watching me and not talking all this while. And people that saw me crying, they never watched the title of the video. They don't know what happened. They started calling all manners of people to call me. I love you guys. I'm sorry. Forgive me if I have done anybody wrong. I'm just trying to do my work. I'm just trying to put smile into people's face. I am not a wicked type, but when a case warrants, I can be harsh just to make peace. Just to make peace reign. If you know me, I used to smile. I smile like abnormal. But doing this work, if you smile, they take you for granted. You only need to shout. You only need to be serious to let them know this case is serious. I told them in abroad, police can smile and send you to jail. But in Nigeria, if you smile, if we smile, they take you for granted. So I become like, I have to shout, I have to be serious, I have to do this. I am not wicked. After all, the work is not my work. I am doing to help you, those who are unable to get help, to get justice. I'm not wicked. I'm sorry if I hurt anybody, whichever way. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry, and I love you people. I have to stop now.